Let's take a look at the procedure on replacing the ignition lock cylinder on this 1997 Toyota Corolla. Now we'll see with our brand new lock cylinder, we insert the key, turn it to the accessory position. Now it allows me to press in the detent here in order to release the lock cylinder. So we're going to do the same thing with our car here. This one was a little bit difficult to get the plastic off. It's kind of brittle. So I've got the key in, I've turned it to the accessory position. I take my 90-degree pick, feel around until I get the hole to release it. And now I've removed my lock cylinder. It's that easy. I can take my new lock cylinder, it's turned to the accessory position, so I can release this tab, slide it in place, lock it in, the car is good to go. It's that easy. We don't have to worry about any anti-theft procedures, anything like that. The key here is simply finding where this release tab is on the bottom, turn the key to the accessory position to release it, and so you can pull your old one out, put your new one in, the car is ready to go.